Ray White Coffs Harbour is proud to introduce 15 Cuthbert Street, Boambee East. Behind an unassuming entry lies a hidden oasis of absolute privacy set amongst lush, tropical, easy care gardens with a spacious and modern home, designed to take full advantage of the northerly aspect. Upon entry, you are greeted by windows looking onto private gardens with an all-year-round sun, streaming inside to create a bright and cheerful ambience. The kitchen, with its ample cupboards and bench space, is complemented by a family room that enjoys easy access to the adjoining covered patio for a seamless transition. The high-quality build and design reflects beautifully once you enter the large master bedroom. The recently renovated ensuite with modern finishes is spacious and complemented by a walk-in robe, both being lit by natural sunlight in keeping with the theme of the design. The natural beauty and privacy of this home is complemented by its energy efficiency, insulation, solar hot water, solar panels, and rainwater tanks. Adding further appeal is the proximity to Bongal Bongal National Park, Bonville Creek, and the iconic Sawtell Village and Headland. For further information or to arrange a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour